Want to learn how to do Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases with something as simple as gumdrops? Let's get into this lesson right now. Now, what you're going to find is that Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases deal with what's called an acid that has a conjugate base pair, a base that has a conjugate acid pair. Quite simple. Let's show you how to do this. First up, you're going to have NH3 reacting with H2O that produces NH4 and OH. What you notice here is the ammonia base is paired up with the conjugate acid of NH4 because there is an additional hydrogen that's been added to this molecule. For hydrogen and oxygen to get H2O, you'll end up losing a pair, which forms OH, and this is when you have your conjugate base. Let's go over a few definitions on the screen. Conjugate acids and conjugate bases. Here we go. I hope you have a better understanding of conjugate acids and base pairs when it comes to Bronsted-Lowry acid-base information. Stay tuned for our next example, where we're going to do just one more to make sure you understand the concepts. Stay tuned.